feeling fine. Yeah, man, it's a blessed day. You know me already, I'm always out and about and, you know, running around with walking. Yeah, family and friends from walking. So today I invite y'all along just to show you around to let y'all see what it's like being, well, spending time with family, friends. You know, it's something come down. Love and love alone. Yeah, man. Ever so often, you know, the YouTube and the copyright work out, guys. So if I should, I will mute the mic. Yeah, man. So y'all will just see what's going on, but you won't hear any audio. So just to let y'all aware of what's taking place. So anyway, come on, y'all. Show y'all around, and you know, hopefully y'all will see something that you like. And like me, you know me already. Love the weed walker, guys. We're gonna get there eventually. But you know, come on, y'all. Alright. So out and about, this is more, guys. Yeah, man. Oh, blessings. Yes. Hey guys, so we ain't gonna stay long. Let me see if I can give you a quick run through. Yeah, man. We're not staying long today, guys. We're not staying long. Yeah, man. This is a quick one. So this is the entrance. Yeah, man. Nice. Now we're going inside. Just a quick run through. Blessings, blessings, bro. Ah, I love it. See, hey guys. So, you know, energy come down. If you need your power wash and any appliance, any items where work is concerned. Yeah, that's it, man. Well, as I said, this is a quick run through, guys. Yeah, man. I will leave it in a few. You know, energy come down. Yeah, that's it, man. No preservative, no additive. Yeah, guys. And this is where I get most tools that I need, and you know, tools to like cool up. You know, my cousin that does the mechanical engineer. This is my, what I say, bucket list, guys. Need this year worker. You know, but as time progress, little. You know, I do appreciate y'all popping by. As I said, this is not gonna be a long one. Yeah, the music in the background, guys. The music. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna run leave y'all. And thanks for passing by. I trust that y'all, you know, something come down. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. It really does help. That is it. Come on, y'all. It's a blessed day, as you can see. It's nice and sunny, guys. Yeah, man. Loving it. See if I can show y'all around. It's beautiful out here, guys. Yeah, man. We're off the farm today and out and about on the road. Loving it. Nice, real nice, you know. This is yard as is, you know, no preservative, no additive, all natural. And as I said from before, guys, let me show y'all my face. Yeah, man, as I said from before, keep getting out there and doing the one right thing. Anyway, there you are, chuckle and height. Love and love alone, guys.